Hello, we will see procedures of GATEtutor question addition software installation and configuration. Copy the software installation link given by GATEtutor, that is https://www.gatetutor.in/downloads/gatetutor.msi. Paste the link of software installation in any browser. Click and see the downloads. Select Keep. Now click here. Click to show in folder. Now run this setup file. You will get this message box. Message box will be vary as per Windows operating system. If more information link is there, then click on that link. And then click on Run. Now click on Finish. Wait, GATEtutor software is installing. GATEtutor software has been successfully installed. Click on Close. Click on Windows C. Click to open program files. Right-click on GATEtutor folder. Click to see Properties. Now click on Security tab. Click on All Application Packages. Click on Edit. And to allow the full control permissions, check the checkbox. Then all checkboxes get automatically selected. Now click on OK. Click on Creator Owner. Click on Edit and allow permission to all. And to allow the full control permissions, check the checkbox. Then all checkboxes get automatically selected. Now click on OK. Now click on System. And do the same process. Now click on Administrator. And do the same process for all group and user names. And allow full control permissions to all users under the title group or user names. Now go to the desktop. Shortcut of this software will be displayed on desktop. From desktop, open the shortcut file for GATEtutor. Click to open. Type here your registered email address with GATEtutor. Mail address should be same as given at the time of registration. Now enter the password which was mailed to you by GATEtutor. Click on OK. This is the Windows-based software given by GATEtutor. Using this software, faculties can add their own questions with equations and diagrams by directly copy-paste method from Microsoft Word to GATEtutor software. To download the GATEtutor software, use the link https://www.gatetutor.in/downloads/gatetutor.msi. Thank you.